This is an industrial machine. As you can see, it also have a stitch regulator here. Here, this is where you set it. The bigger the number, the wider the stitches. So this is where you set the stitch and how you want it to be. Then here is where you stitch it. When you press, it go back. When you leave it, it's so normal. So this is a stitch regulator. So you can see this place here. It's a stitch regulator. Another part you should know is the foot lifter. What lift this foot up? There are two parts that lift the foot up. We have this at the back of the machine. This here, when you carry it like this, it lifts the foot up. You can see it. You can see the foot. When you drop it, it goes down. Then we still have another one, which is just a bit below the machine, which is this. If you sit down to sew and you carry this up, you will see that like this. You carry it up, you see here it's lifting. So this also lifts the foot. You use your leg to lift it. Another important part of this machine is the power button. You can see the instruction written here, push button. So you push it, this off and this on. When you press it, you can hear the sound. It's on. When you press here, you off it. So just close to the head, this is where you retread. You retread from here. When you fix it, you get the thread rule. You don't have much, you have to just push it. You'll be learning that. And this is where you drop the thread you want to use on it like this. And here is the foot where you match your foot. You drop your foot to press it. This one you don't turn it like the manual one. You just, all you need to do is just press it and it will be rolling. So the harder you press it, the more faster it will speed. It connects to the motor. This is the motor that it connects to it. So we'll be learning how to use it now. So as I told you, these are the thread we're going to use to learn how to thread it. First of all, we'll use this one. We use this one to weigh. So you bring it up here, you pass it through this hole here. You pass it. So after passing it, you bring it down to this place, and then you make it to enter here like this. Then you draw it and tie it here. Then you push it. Then you have seen the connection from here up. You bring it here down. You make it to enter here, and you tie it here. Then you push. So let's on the machine and start reeling it. To on the machine, already I told you of the power button. You press the green, which is on, and then you hear the sound. So you match it and read the thread. You don't need to touch it. Once you match it, you'll be reeling itself. Alright, our thread is there. Let's remove it, and then you just need to push it back. From here, it will come out. Then you carry it and then fix it on the shuttle. So just like the manual machine, this also have a shuttle down. This is the shuttle. So you hold it on from here, you remove it, and then you fix that thread that you have read. So this is the shuttle. Unlike the other one, this is the shuttle of this one. So let's fix the thread and see. So you just carry the reel and then fix it. This is the thread up here. So you just fix it here. Allow the thread to pass through this hole and come like this. So you reduce the length of it and you fix it back. So back down. So back down, you fix it. Like this. So let's go up and learn how to fix the upper thread. So to fix the upper thread, here is the procedure. First of all, you come up here. You can see an opening through this. So you fix the thread to come out through this opening. Then you come down to the machine. This is the next place the thread should enter. So you can also see an opening on it, a hole rather here. So you allow the thread to go through it. Then from here, the next step is this one. You allow thread to go through the hole here. You see a hole, there's a hole here. You just allow thread to go through it like this, and then you bring it down here. Then make it to pass through this, let it enter inside. So you put a thread here, remove it, bring it through this side, let it enter here, and then down here to the thread, which the needle, which is the last place. So you are through with the thread now. So remove the down one by turning the head. Here's the down one. You take it back and you are ready to sew. Already what I told you about the foot is the harder you press it, the more faster it will speed. So learn how to press it a bit, just like the clutch of the motor. Normal motor car, just like its clutch. So if you press it harder, the speed will be high. If you press it with a little force, the speed will be normal. So we'll be doing that now. Back to the power button. Press it on. So our machine is now on. So we are ready to sew. Remember, we are learning how to sew straight line. This is the straight line. So on the stitches here, if you set it on 5, this is on 5. Here is gather. So the lesser the number, the tiny the stitches. So let's use stitches 3 to do our sewing. Remember, here is where to stitch it. So first of all, you lift this foot up, and then this place is up, has been lifted. So you drop what you want to sew on it like this, then you release it. This is the foot I'm talking about. So you lift it up, and then let's continue our sewing. We start. So this is where to stitch before you go back. As you can see, you can control the speed to be very slow, depending on how you match it. If I match it with speed, you can see it. So it depends on how you match it. If you reduce the speed, it can be very easy to control. So you just need to reduce the speed as you can control it, or increase it. So that is it for the straight sewing. For the straight line sewing, we will be learning other stuff, but you practice it until you get it perfect. This is the double line that we have sewn. It's close, so you keep on doing that until you perfect it. So now this is the curve. We are going to learn how to sew it. We learn how to control the speed of it. So first of all, you lift the foot up. Again, this foot, you lift the foot up and you drop it. So you get yourself ready to sew. Remember, before every permanent stitch, as we learned in our lesson, you have to stitch. So this is a stitch regulator here. So let's start it. Control the speed. You can reduce it by the way you press it. So as you can see, you can control the speed with your foot by reducing the force you apply to it. So you can see how slow it is. It's because I did not apply much force to it. And then we go over it again. So if you find out that the speed you are matching is too much for you, you can reduce the stop, then reduce the speed of it before you continue sewing. So just make sure you match it very light so that the speed will be slow. Sewing curve on industrial machine is difficult more than the manual one. So you see the speed has been controlled to be very slow. So controlling the speed is the most important issue here. You have to control the speed. Once you are able to control the speed, you are good to go. So you can see the two thread, they are also together on the curve. They are also together. So you just learn how to do it and you get yourself doing it. Thank you very much.